Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Well, I already took it out of the box because I had other things ordered with this. And so these are both from Amazon. This one is storage that I got from Staroar Direct, and then this is a diamond painting I got from Staroar. So let's do the diamond painting first. So Staroar, I have done one diamond painting from Staroar before, and then I saw this one, and I was like, you know, I need some Halloween one, and I did a Christmas one from Staroar last year, and this one actually was much cheaper than their normal diamond paintings. So when I bought this was $10.99, and then I just opened up the listing on my computer today, and it's $9.89 now, and I'm recording this on Saturday, July 24th, so this is not going to get posted until the following Saturday, so maybe it'll still be $9.89. So Staroar does come with this card sheet. This is actually pretty thick material that has, you know, instructions here, and then they have their inventory sheet on this too. So this looks like there's going to be 25 colors. All the symbols look like letters and numbers. I don't think there's any ABs or specials on this. It doesn't look like it. Okay, so maybe that's why this one's cheaper. So I'm just going to roll it back the other way because that's usually what I do. Okay, so Staroar, their diamond paintings come with a little bit more stuff. So this did come with some release papers. It looks like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe there's 10. It seems weird to give me 9. But yeah, it came with these release papers, and they're like waxy, double-sided. Since I said it, this was my second one, I do have some of these, and these release papers are like 12 by 16, I think, in size. Yeah, 16 by 12. So yeah, they do come with release papers, and then their toolkit here, let's see. Oh yeah, I remember they came with a lot of baggies too. So yeah, their toolkit has the white pen with the blue grippy, and then the 4-placer, and then the straightener, and the 7-placer. So those are my favorite types of placers. And then it comes with, oh yeah, they come with the blunt tweezers, so not the pointy ones. And then blue plate of blue heart-shaped wax, and then the Mosfa tray. And then they also come with some like really nice quality bags, if it's like what my last one. And they come with a lot, like, so yeah, they're really thick bags, and then they have the white strip to write on, and they give you a lot. I don't know if it's enough for all of the diamond painting drills, but it's a lot. So yeah, so that still looks the same as the last time I ordered from Staroar. So yeah, did I say this is, right now it's $9.89? At least a week before this is getting posted. Alright. So yeah, here it is. Oh, upside down. It's these cats coming, and oh, I guess that's a dog too. A cat and a dog with some jack-o'-lanterns. Yes, it might seem like it's too early to start getting the fall diamond paintings, but it's not. It's actually not too early. Especially if you want these things done before said holiday. It's not too early. I'm not sure if this will turn out. It looks a tad bit too pixelated, so this might be too small, but I'm gonna be hopeful. So on the site, what did they say? Oh, so they say the drill area here is a 35 by 47. So let's see, is it? Yep, 35 by, it's more 46.5. So yeah, I think, I'm not sure if it'll turn out. I don't know if it doesn't look the clearest, but that it will turn out. So yeah, what did I say? There are 25 colors in this. They have DMCs. It's all writing and, I mean, letters and numbers. The drill field, I think the drill field looks okay. I don't anticipate having any problems. Maybe this 5 is a little hard to read, but you could tell it's a 5. And in case you want to know, they do have this like the velvety back, and then they do have like the like surged edges. Let's see. 25 colors. Okay. So there does not look like there's any specials. Oh, something is leaking. A gray drill is leaking. So something might be open in here. So let's see. Let's see what's open. Am I like crazy to going like this and trying to find out what's leaking? Or is this just like random drills? I don't... So, you know, if it's anything like my last Staroar, I'm not going to be concerned that I'm running out, because my last one, I had so many left over, like, and their predominant color in my last Staroar was the white ABs. I have so many left over that I'm still trying to use up my white ABs, so... Alright, so let's see. This is 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm just making sure they're all here, but I'm trying to figure out which one is the open one, so if it is open, I will, you know, put some tape over it or something. But I can't tell. Like, looking at the gray ones, I'm like... Nothing looks like it's... Oh, wait. I found it. It's this one. It's number 3. There's a tiny hole right here. I'm not going to try to put it back in. If I need more of that, I'll just get from my stash. But I just needed to see where it was open. Alright. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So they're all, looks like they're all here. So here's some red. Oh, and I do like that they actually have the DMC number on there. It'll make kitting up much easier. Lots of blues, more reds, some purples. So a lot of just neutral colors. Oh, I love these kind of colors. This is why I'm like, ooh, I'm happy that the fall is starting, because then I'm going to get a bunch more of the oranges and colors like that. And then some, you know, just neutral colors there. So in case you want to see how a diamond painting from Staroar looks like, I did get out my last one from them. So this was the diamond painting I did from Staroar last year. I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, I will link it. So this is Snowman Family. This is the one that I said had so many white ABs left over that I still am going through them. So all of the white here is actually white AB, which at the time of me diamond painting this, it drove me crazy, because if you've done anything with ABs, they do like to pull out the wax, so they're just a pain sometimes to diamond paint with. But this whole, all of the white in this are like ABs. So, and then they also did, so they did the white ABs, and then their other special shapes were, I don't know if you could tell, they're the red. If it's gonna focus. Is it gonna focus? The red are rhinestones here. And then the trees here are green rhinestones. So yeah, here is an example of like a diamond painting where it's a combination of regular round drills, rhinestone round drills, and AB round drills. And that's the reason I wanted to get this, is because I liked the fact that there was a diamond painting company that was doing this, where they were doing a combination of rhinestones, regular drills, and ABs. So yeah, I do remember that there was a lot of trash in their drills, but that was like a year ago. So I'm gonna see if this one will be much better. But I mean, it's round drills. You just have to pick out the trash. I was able to finish it with no problem. And like I said, I had tons left over. Maybe that's why they gave a lot, because there's tons of trash sometimes in their drills. I don't know. We'll see if they're better now. Okay, so moving this aside, I do really like the release papers. Okay, moving this aside, so now we're doing storage, because I have problems because I don't have enough storage, right? So this storage, okay, so this funny story about why I even bought this, I had no plans to buy this, is someone asked a question in a comment in one of the videos, and was asking how much these bigger Tic Tac containers hold. And while I'm like, I don't know, but I do remember that Staroar Direct wrote on their listing on Amazon how much the big Tic Tac containers hold, which they say it's 2,800. I don't know if I believe that, but they say they could hold 2,800. The reason I don't believe that is because I think they said that the small ones could hold 1,800, but I don't know. So then when I went to the site to look at it, I was like, wait, is that a bigger one? And so when I bought this was $10.99. Currently, while I'm looking at it, it's $12.99, but their 32 pack of these big containers is the same price. So this is a 60 pack, so there should be, from what I remember, 40 of the big Tic Tac containers, and then 20 of these smaller ones. So I was like, 60. So there's more containers and it's the same price. Or at the time I bought this was $10.99, so it was cheaper. So yeah, no, I was like, okay, let's try buying this thing. You know what? I noticed this when I was diamond painting. I don't know if you could tell. See, there's like a 6 right here, and then there's a 10, because this is the second time I've gotten these Tic Tac containers. And then when I was diamond painting with the other one, I started noticing that there was like these little like numbers at the top there. Do you see? But I think they must have just randomly put them in there, because they're not all equal. I don't know. So if anyone knows what those numbers mean, please let me know, because I don't know. Why is there a 10 and a 6? But yeah, no, this holds, it looks like okay, so this grid thing is not exactly placed right, because, okay, so I kind of like it in this a little bit better, just because there's a little bit more space in it, so it's easier to get it out, maybe. I don't know, maybe I'm like, while I'm trying to do this, I don't know, I'm just trying to see if I put, because see, this one is the one that's probably the most, yeah, no, it fits. So the reason I was like, okay, so I have diamond painted with this. I've actually finished the diamond painting that I kitted up in this, and I'm going to record the completion review after this video. But my problem with this one is, while I like it because it's compact, it was really hard sometimes to take out the containers, because I was like, it's like, it was just like really, really hard to take out the containers. So while I like it that it's compact, it just was sometimes a little difficult to take it out. So I was hoping that maybe this would be less compact and be a little bit easy. I do like that there's these dividers. The dividers aren't in exactly correctly, so that's why I'm like, okay. There. So I do like that there's these dividers. You could maybe kit up 2 diamond paintings with this if you have something. And with the 60 containers, I figured this would be nice to hold a bigger diamond painting without taking up as much space as like maybe getting 2 Harbor Freight containers, or so in case you want to see how big this is compared to other containers. Well, here is the Elizabeth Ward container. It is, yeah, see, it's smaller. It is taller, but it shouldn't take up as much space on a table. Although, you know, with these, you could take off the lid, while these, the lid is going to be like that. So maybe it might take just as much space as, but if your table's on a corner, you just have the lid like just propped up. And then compared to, this is a 60 bottle zipper case. See, it's about the same size. And there's potential that if you do a combination of the big containers and the small containers, you could have more colors in a smaller container. I don't know. So yeah, so since I've done the Tic Tac, are these the same size? I don't know why, for whatever reason, every time I see these Tic Tac containers, they just seem small. And so then I have to take out one that I've been using and compare it. No, they're the same size. I don't know. So they do look a little dirty, like, or at least that one did. Let's see. Yep, the lids seem okay on this. So, I mean, this other one I got from AliExpress, so I don't know how universal the sizes are. Yeah, no, they look about the same size. So yeah, I did like that I'd be able to possibly kit up a big one, and then I could just kind of do a mix and match. So they did come with, like, this came right here. So this is also nice that if you want to just put your tools in there, you could rearrange these. You could take these off and then rearrange them. So they did come with like 4 pens with various multi-placers and a straightener, and then a MOSFA boat, and then 2 green boats, because, you know, we are so lacking in how many boats we have, or at least I am not. You should see my green boat collection. And this is not even everything. And then it comes with some labels. So yeah, I'm not gonna go test these out because I already have gotten Tic Tac containers. I've kind of started liking them just because of the compactness and how much you could get in a small space compared to other containers, and how much drills you could put in for the same like amount of full space. I don't know if that makes sense. So yeah, there is these ones. I did say I got this for $10.99, but right now I'm looking at it, it's at $12.99, which, considering that the 32-piece container is $12.99 also, I think this is a really awesome deal. I might cut this off because that will annoy me, but oh, in case you want to know, it does come with like a handle here. There's like these ridges here, and it comes with this snapping here. And also, in case you want to know, this outer container, I do have it from when I got some bottles. It can hold 44 of the Harbor Freight containers. So yeah, like I said, before I've said that I'm not afraid to mix and match. So yeah, that's all for today. So here is the storage I got, and here is the diamond painting from Staroar I got. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!